MOP of 21,900 rupees only.
21,900 for the customer. And along with this price, there is a customer offer. Value worth rupees 5,500 rupees gift pack along with this product. In that you have flip cover free. You have 5 GB storage on the server free.
We are also giving.
So there are more than 15 applications. Value of worth 5,500 free along with this product at a MOP of 21,900 rupees.
Yeah, that's right. So Farhan, how does it feel? You know, with this kind of price and all these specifications, I'm sure you need not buy that.
No, like I said at the very beginning, I'm really happy to be here. I'm really happy to be associated with Intex. I think this is still work in progress for you.
Yes,
I think this is still many more steps to come, many more areas to explore, many more new technologies to be developed, to be shared with people. So congratulations once again. Really glad and very proud to be part of this family.
Thank you so much, Farhan. Thank you.
Well, Farhan, thank you so much for being here. You have literally added so much charm. Thank you. Well, thank you so much.
You know, we're all attached to our phones for different things. What are the apps that you absolutely cannot live without?
The ones that I can't live without, anything that allows me to view what's available latest in trailers, in media, I'm sure. Music, I think now having a separate device for listening to music is again something that's become a thing of the past. So to have the kind of memory that he's talking about on your device, that you can listen to you can pretty much have your library of music on it if you choose to. I think that's the other. A camera to capture moments with your friends, with your family when you're traveling. A great location when you're scouting. You know, so, and of course the checking mails. It really has become an extension now, you know, of your lifestyle. It no longer is a device per se. So just everything, I mean everything that you want to do, you want it really to be on one single thing that you can hold in your hand.
Okay. How many phones do you have?
How many phones do I have? Well, now including this one, if they're letting me take this away, this will be my third.
Which are the other two phones?
Sorry?
Which are the other two phones that you're using?
Which are the other two phones? One is the i5 that was there before this, and the other one before that I had was an iPhone.
All right. Who's on your speed dial?
Who's
like
on my speed?
The three
I actually, honestly speaking, I don't use the speed dial function, so I can't say.
Okay, let's put it this way. Whose numbers do you know by heart? I mean, now with that, you know, you don't need.
You know, fortunately, that time is gone. We have to remember numbers by heart. But of course, the ones that you do remember are your closest friends and your family, in case you really need to jog your memory and think about it. But apart from that, I've stopped relying on memory for having to remember phone numbers. Now I can use that capacity for something else.
What kind of a person are you when it comes to keeping in touch? Like, do you ever hear your friends and family complain about not being able to get through to you with the phone?
Sometimes when you're busy working, it can happen, depending on the nature of the work that you're doing. But it very rarely happens, of course, with your children and stuff, because they should be able to get in touch with you whenever it's possible. We have been at times in situations where we're shooting in places where even today mobile technology does not allow you access to make phone calls. Even that does happen. At times like that, of course, then you're dependent on when you're done with your shoot and you can get in touch with them through the hotel landline or stuff like that.
And since we have you here, I have to ask, your father is currently battling for the rights of Zanjeer, which he thinks should not release this Friday because it's a remake. Now, you yourself are a filmmaker and have made a remake, and so what is your take on this issue, this particular?
Well, I've shared my view on basic copyright clearance earlier. I myself have made a film in the past, remade a film called Dawn, for which I acquired the rights from the producer and permission from the writers. That is, in my understanding, the right way to go about it. Everybody has their own way, and there's a court where this case is happening, and I'm sure they'll decide who's right and who's wrong.
Well, before we're going to proceed with our next question, I would request you guys to just ask the question for the new wonder, which is at Y7 only. I would really appreciate if you do the same. And anyone else who want to ask any question, any query you have in your mind? Yes. I would like you to come forward, please.
For Farhan. So Farhan, these days, when things like when gadgets like mobile or iPad, iPod, when these things come up, we often see Ranbir Kapoor and Imran Khan, maybe the young ones actually endorsing it, and that's how we all also buy that. So I just want to know from you people also there. So what is the reason that Farhan Akhtar is the one this time, who's actually telling us to buy the smartphone?
Well,
You're asking me this
Yeah,
question?
I'm asking you and them also.
Okay, well, I hope you would buy anything after using it and realizing whether it's good to use or not, as opposed to me telling you right now, just go and buy this. I think that would be much nicer and wiser to do. But why me, they'll tell you.
I really like to add over here. Everyone just.
और मेरा ये मानना है कि अगर मैं किसी भी ब्रांड के साथ या किसी भी प्रोडक्ट के साथ जुड़ूं, तो ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि जैसे अभी भी केशव ने कहा कि एक सिनर्जी होनी चाहिए. मेरे ख्याल से ये जो एक ब्रांड है, it's growing, it's creating a name for itself. I still, no matter what people may think of me, no matter what my films may have done in the past, I still find myself wanting to do more, wanting to discover more creativity in the work that I do. और मुझे पहले तो ये बहुत खुशी है कि ये एक इंडियन ब्रांड है that I'm associated with, that it is priced at a very, very good price range that people can afford. I am somebody who enjoys the use of technology every single day of my life, whether professionally or personally. This is a great platform for them to also experience very state-of-the-art technology at a very affordable price. So for me to be the face, for me to tell them that there's something that we enjoy doing, I enjoy doing, that is now accessible to you, is for me a very nice, healthy kind of way to share my joy of these things with people. So there are many, many different reasons why I'm associated, why I feel there's a good synergy with this brand.